Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Klaviyo for your side hustle, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with installing Klaviyo for your side hustle, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the Klaviyo website. Click on the sign up button to create an account. Fill out the required information, including your email address and a secure password. After completing your registration, check your email for a confirmation link. Click the confirmation link to verify your email address. Once confirmed, log in to your new Klaviyo account. On the dashboard, you'll see a prompt to connect your store. Choose the type of store you are using, such as Shopify or WooCommerce. Follow the specific instructions provided for your chosen platform. If you're using Shopify, click on the Install Klaviyo button in the App Store. Authorize the integration by clicking Add App and granting necessary permissions. For WooCommerce, download the Klaviyo plugin from the official website. Upload the plugin to your WordPress dashboard. Activate the plugin after upload is complete. Return to your Klaviyo account and click on Integrations in the sidebar. Search for your platform and select it to begin the integration process. Follow the prompts to connect your store to Klaviyo. Once connected, you will gain access to your dashboard where you can manage your email campaigns. Explore the various features available, such as email automation and list management. Set up your first email list by clicking on the Lists and Segments tab. Import your existing contacts or start building your list from scratch. Create your first email campaign by clicking on the Campaigns tab. Follow the step-by-step guide to design your email and choose recipients. Once ready, schedule your campaign or send it immediately. Review analytics regularly to track the performance of your campaigns. Adjust your strategies based on the data to maximize engagement. With Klaviyo installed and set up, you're now ready to start growing your side hustle through email marketing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.